Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to create a document library on SharePoint. Let's get straight into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SharePoint site where you want to create the library. Once the page loads, you'll see the site's homepage with the menu bar running across the top. On that menu bar, look for the New button and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. In that drop-down, click Document Library. This will bring up a dialog box titled Create New Document Library. Inside this dialog box, you'll see three different ways to create your library: blank library, from existing library, or a selection of Microsoft templates. For a standard library, starting from scratch, click on Blank Library. Once you select that, a configuration pane will slide in from the right side of your screen. In this configuration pane, the first thing you'll see is a name field, and this one's required. You can't proceed without it. Click into that field and type in a descriptive name for your library, something that'll help your team understand what it's for. Just below that, there's an optional description field where you can add more detail if you want to explain the library's purpose. Depending on your organization's Microsoft setup, you might also see a sensitivity label dropdown that lets you apply security labels to all files in this library, but that's completely optional and you can leave it if it's not relevant. Once you've filled in at least the name field, look for the Create button at the bottom of the pane and click it. The dialog will close and SharePoint will create your library. You'll then see your new document library appear in your site contents, empty and ready for files. Now that your library is set up, here's what you should know. SharePoint team sites already include one default document library. So this new one gives you an additional space for organizing different content types. To add files, click the Upload button in the toolbar or drag and drop them straight into the library. If you need to organize documents by category or project, you can add custom columns by clicking Add Column in the toolbar. And if you're collaborating with others, consider enabling versioning in the library settings. It'll track changes and let you restore earlier versions if something goes wrong. Lastly, to see all your libraries in one place, just go to Site Contents from the menu. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.